Hey y'all, so when y'all see this wig cap, you know what's going on. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig. This is the wig and it comes with a wig cap and also a wig grip. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here so that I can give you guys a little bit more info and then we'll start it. Now this is a wig by Soul Beauty. They reached out to me to review their wig, and I'm going to be completely honest, y'all. This is my favorite wig thus far, and it's synthetic, girl. So unpackaging the wig, as you can see, it has curls already, y'all. This wig feels so good. All right, so the front is a 13 by 4 inch frontal and the back is a 6.2 frontal. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. You have two wig combs in the front and one in the back. And then you have, of course, the lace in the front and in the back so that it can give you that 360 look if you choose to put it in a ponytail. So what I'm going to do first is just cut off the lace and then throw this baby on. Now, with it being a 13 by 4 inch frontal, like I said, you can part it pretty much anywhere. Like you get a really wide parting space. Because my head is big, the frontal does not cover my whole front area, and that's really because, like I said, I have a big head and my edges, like, they come out really far, so like they almost touch my eyebrows. So anyways, about the wig, so once I comb it out, y'all, look at these curls. Like, I am in love with these curls. And y'all, when I say this wig feels so soft, and as many times as I combed it, like, I didn't get many tangles at all, like one, if any. But look at this parting space, y'all. This is before I add any concealer. I didn't pre-pluck anything. Like, this is how it looks straight out the pack, sis. So the texture of this wig is like a soft yaki, y'all. And like, I can't like explain to you guys how freaking good the texture of this wig feels. Like, I feel like out of all the synthetic wigs that I've had, this one feels really good, especially for it to be long. It's 24 inches, y'all. And normally with a longer wig, you get a lot more tangling. But this, y'all, like I said, one small tangle is all I got. But this is how the hairline looks pre-plucked. It's nice. I'm not going to do any more customizing to it. I'm just going to add some baby hair because I really don't like to pluck wigs anyway. It just takes so long. So I use the wig grip as like a headband to lay down my lace. And then as you can see, the baby hair look really, really nice on this wig. And this wig gives you a natural look. This is definitely one of the higher quality synthetic wigs due to the fact that the lace is bomb and the way that it feels is definitely a higher quality. It's going to last you longer. It is heat resistant up to 340 degrees, as well as you do have 4 different colors to choose from. Now right here I'm just adding like a little concealer just to make it look more natural, but as you can see, before I even added the concealer, it looks super natural. So this is just a little, plus. So y'all, this is how it ended up looking, y'all. When I tell y'all, this synthetic hair mimics virgin hair so much, like, it's crazy because, like, girl, no shedding, no tangling. Like, I love it. And look at the frontal part. Like, girl, what frontal? This is all me. I hope you guys like this video. Check the link below to get this wig, y'all. I have a link for y'all below. Go ahead and click it and purchase it, girl. It's definitely worth every penny. Tag me on Instagram so that I can see it. Alright, squad, so that's it. Go ahead and buy your wig. This wig retails at $79.99. The shipping was super quick. I got mine in 3 days and it's worth every penny.